all of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 3 of chapter number 12, areas related to circle. And now we are going to complete the left out questions of exercise 12.2. 6th क्वेश्चन तक पिछले सेशन में कर चुके हैं. So 7th क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. So first I'm going to read the question. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Now listen carefully and find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. Use pi is equals to 3.14 and the value of root 3 is equals to 1.73. अब जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ध्यान से सुनो. एग्जाम में 120 डिग्री एंगल वाले जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो डिलीट हो गया है. ओके, सो ये केवल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए. व्हाइल प्रैक्टिसिंग यू कैन डिलीट दिस चैप्टर. ओके, छोड़ सकते हैं आप लोग इसको प्रैक्टिस करते समय. So now let us start with theta is given 120 degree and the value of r is given 12 centimeter. So this is the rough diagram, and what we are going to do, we are going to draw one perpendicular line that is from center O to AB. So OL perpendicular to AB. This construction we have to draw, and radius is given 12 and theta is given 120. Draw OL perpendicular to AB. Now we know that perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. So AL is equals to BL is equals to half of AB. So and also perpendicular drawn from center to chord also bisects the chord as well as bisects the angle subtended by the chord. So ये जो दोनों एंगल है ये दोनों भी हाफ हाफ हो जाएगा. So full angle is 120 degree. So what about these two angles? These two angles 60. Are equals to 60 degree. So whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us move towards this triangle OLA. ध्यान से देखो. अभी मैंने कहा कि ये एंगल 60 है. ठीक है. And what is the value of this angle?
90
degree.
So हम लोग को अब ये एंगल फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. So the sum of these three angles is equals to 180 degree. Why?
Angle sum property of triangle.
Okay, very
sum
good.
property.
Angle sum property of triangle. And we are going to substitute the values. This is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, and this angle we have to find. So the sum of these two angle is 150 degree. So 150 degree को इस तरफ shift करेंगे तो minus 150 हो जाएगा. So that will be equals to 30 degree. So similarly this angle is, we got this angle is 30 degree. Similarly this angle is also 30 degree. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. अब
No,
ये
sir.
वाला जो ट्राइंगल है, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल जो है, उसको मैं फिर से रिट्रेस कर रहा हूँ ऐसे. देखो ये पूरा 120 डिग्री जो था उसको हाफ ऑफ कर दिए और ये 30 डिग्री. डायग्राम इज क्लियर?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we need to find the value of AL. AL find करना है और OL find करना है. So we are going to use the trigonometry. So if we are going to take 60 degree, with respect to 60 degree, AL is
Opposite side.
right. Very good.
Opposite
Opposite side. And what about OA?
Adjacent side.
Hypotenuse, not
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And which trigonometry ratio is with respect to these two, opposite and high?
Sin theta.
Right. Either sin theta or cosec theta, but we are going to use sin theta. And sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, so we'll get AL by OA. Any doubt here? What is the
No,
value of
sir.
sin 60 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
Right.
Root
And
3 by 2.
the value of OA is also given 12. So we'll substitute all the values. Root 3 by 2 is equals to AL by 12. So this 2 will be cancelled. We can cancel these 2. So we'll get final AL is equals to
6 root 3.
6 root 3 centimeter. अब AL मिल गया. What is the value of BAB?
AL minus LB.
12 root 3.
12 root 3.
Why 12 root 3? Why 12 root 3?
Sir,
Because AL is equals to
Because AL is
BL.
equals to BL is equals to 2
Yes,
AB.
AL is equals to half of AB. So AB will be 2 times AL. So this is equals to 12 root 3 centimeter. So we got the value of AB. अब मुझे OA चाहिए. I want to calculate OA. So OA के लिए मैं अगर यही वाला एंगल लूंगा, so इस एंगल का ये adjacent है. This is adjacent. And this is hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio we have to use?
Cos theta.
cos theta.
Right,
Cos
cos
theta.
theta. So cos 60 is equals to OL by OA. And what is the value of cos 60 degree?
1
Half.
by 2.
Half.
Yes, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equals to OL. So what we are going to get? OL is equals to 6 centimeter.
6 centimeters.
Okay, now what is the area of this triangle? What is
Half
the area
into
of this
base into
triangle?
Half into base into height.
Right, half into base into height. Base is AB and height is OL. Okay, so अब हम लोग सेगमेंट का एरिया निकाल रहे हैं. एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल OAB. So area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degree, and area of triangle OAB is equals to half into AB into OL. And the value of AB is also with us. AB 12 root 3 है और OL 6 root 3 है. So that we are going to substitute here. And the value of pi is given in the question 3.14. R is 12 and theta is 120 degree. So we are going to substitute all the values. So ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग 120 और ये 3 मिलेगा. So ये भी दोनों कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, हम लोग को 4 मिलेगा. So इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से यहाँ पर ये पूरा वैल्यू आ जा रहा है. अब यहाँ पर देखो, so 36 root 3 मिल रहा है. So root 3 value is also given 1.732. Okay. So यहाँ पे पूरा सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 4 into 12 into 3.14 मिलेगा. That is equals to 150.72. 36 root 3, 36 into 1.73. We'll multiply and subtract. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 62.28 आ गया, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 88.44 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आ गया. So this is the final answer of area of segment. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter. So इसका पूरा 15 meter है, square shaped है. And by means of 5 meter long rope, see figure 12.11. ये textbook का figure है. So find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So horse का जो rope है वो केवल इतने एरिया तक ही वो ग्रेस कर सकता है. This one. ठीक है, इतना पार्ट ही वो ग्रेस कर सकता है क्योंकि रोप जो है वो रोप का लेंथ यहीं तक आएगा. राइट. नेक्स्ट, द इंक्रीज इन द ग्रेजिंग एरिया इफ द रोप वेयर 10 मीटर लॉन्ग इंस्टेड ऑफ 5 मीटर. अगर रोप बढ़ा देते हो तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. सो दैट वी विल सी लेटर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये एक क्वाड्रेंट को फॉर्म करेगा. देखो, विल गेट वन क्वाड्रेंट. दिस पार्ट इज अ क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ दिस सर्कल and the sector of this angle is 90 degree. So we'll start with side of a square is equals to 15 meter and radius of the rope is 5 meter and central angle is 90 degree. Just now I told 90 degree. So ध्यान से देखो, अब इसको मैं डायग्राम को चेंज कर रहा हूं मैं ऐसे. So this is 90 degree. So we have to find this area. So what is this area of sector? And this is equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. The value of pi is 3.14 already given. The value of r is 5 meter and the value of theta is 90. So we'll substitute. So we can cancel these two. 4. Okay. So 3.14 into 25 by 4. फिर ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. That is 78.5. 78.5 divided by 4 will get 19.625 meter square. So this is the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Now the second one, now we are going to increase the grazing area. Grazing area हम लोग यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक बढ़ा रहे हैं 10 मीटर तक, तो रेडियस इसका 10 मीटर हो जाएगा. सो लेंथ ऑफ द रोप, अब यहाँ पे R1 हम लोग यूज करेंगे, यू कैन यूज कैपिटल R और R डैश, इट इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड द सेंट्रल एंगल इज द सेम, लेकिन एरिया जो रहेगा वो पूरा ये वाला एरिया रहेगा. दिस एरिया वी हैव टू फाइंड. Okay, so let us start with area of sector OCD. Pi R1 square theta upon 360 degree. Pi का वैल्यू 3.14 है. R1 यहाँ पे 10 है. So यहाँ पे देखो ध्यान से, दोनों को कैंसिल कर लेंगे. So 314 हो जाएगा if you multiply all these three. So 314 upon 4. This is equals to 78.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब हम लोग को केवल ये वाला पार्ट निकालना है, ये वाला. So how will you find this part? How will you find this part?
Sir, area of OBC minus area of OBA.
Very good. Area of outer quadrant minus area of inner quadrant. क्योंकि उस क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ कितना ज्यादा पार्ट वो ग्रेज कर सकता है. Hence the increase in the grazing area, area of sector OCD minus area of sector OAB. So the value of this is 78.5 and the value of this is 19.625. If you subtract, we'll get the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards question number 9. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. ये पूरा 10 sectors हैं as shown in this figure. Find the length of the silver wire, the area of the each sector of the brooch. अब देखो एक मिनट, सिल्वर वायर हम लोग कहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं? एक तो सर्कल में यूज कर रहे हैं. So what is the length of circle? Circular part.
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Very good. And how many diameters we have used? 5. So वो दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो we will get the total length of the silver wire. Okay, so we'll start with the diameter is equals to 35 millimeter. So radius will be 35 by 2 millimeter. Okay, number of diameters is equals to 5. So number of equal sectors also it is given 10. So total length of the sector wire is equals to length of 5 diameters plus circumference of the circle, that is brooch. So this is 2 pi r, this is 5 into 2r. Diameter is already given 35, so 5 into 35. Now we'll find this value. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 35, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया और ये मिलेगा हम लोग को 5. So we'll get 110. So 175 plus 110. Final answer?
285.
285. What is the unit?
Millimeter.
Millimeter. Okay. So इसका आंसर जो है वो हम लोग साथ में एक और आंसर लिख सकते हैं 28.5 सेंटीमीटर. Right? So this also we can write after that. After this answer we can write this one. Now we have to find area of each sector of the brooch. So हम लोग को पहले एक सेक्टर को सेलेक्ट करके उसका थीटा निकालना पड़ेगा. So what is the central angle of this? एक मिनट. 360 upon total number of equal sectors. Total number of equal sectors are
10.
10. So 360 upon 10 कितना मिलेगा?
36.
36.
Right. So theta is equals to 36 हो जाएगा. So area of each sector will be equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So pi r theta का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे हम लोग. So we can cancel this to 11. ये भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 5 और 36 को इसके साथ कैंसिल कर सकते हैं पूरा 10 और फिर 5 को भी इससे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. विल गेट 2. So 11 into 35 by 2, 2 into 2, 4. 11 into 35 by 4. That is 385 by 4, and the final answer is 96.25 millimeter square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so area of each sector of the brooch is equals to 96.25 meters square. Now we are moving towards the next question, question number 10. An umbrella has 6 ribs which are equally spaced. See figure 12.13. This is figure 12.13. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle. So second figure है जो ये वाला. Of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. देखो यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखो, ये वाला एक रिब है और ये वाला दूसरा रिब है. इन दोनों के बीच का एरिया निकालना है. So this is in the form of sector only. So सबसे पहले हम लोग को थीटा निकालना पड़ेगा. Whether this is clear? This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So radius of the circle, that is small r, is equals to 45 centimeter, and number of ribs it is given 8. So central angle is equals to 360 upon 8, क्योंकि वो 8 equal parts में divide कर रहा है. In the question it is given, already given that equally spaced. So 360 divided by 8, that is equals to 45 degree. So this is theta. Now area of this sector we have to find. So very easy, pi r square theta by 360. Now we'll substitute the value of pi r theta. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. कुछ भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पर, सिर्फ यही वाला कैंसिल होगा. Only this we can cancel. So we'll get 8. और ये भी कैंसिल होगा. 11, 4. Okay, 22 by 7 into 45 into 45 into 1 by 8. इसको हम लोग कैंसिल किए हैं. If you solve completely, you will get in decimal, that is नहीं, पीछे यही आंसर दिया हुआ है, बैक साइड में यही आंसर दिया हुआ है. 22,275 upon 28. Final answer is 795.54 centimeter square approximately, क्योंकि 537 something मिलेगा. And hence the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella is equals to 795.54 centimeter square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So question number 11. Now a car has two
No, sir.
wipers. कार को देखे हो ना, वाइपर उसमें क्लीन करता है और वो
Yes, sir.
एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल तक क्लीन करता है. तो यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है 105 डिग्री, 15 डिग्री. So each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter. So जब वो वाइपर जब वाइप करता है तो it will form a sector. It will form a sector, and the length of the blade will be the radius of that sector. Okay, तो ये रेडियस होगा. एक रफ डायग्राम देखो. ये मान लो यहाँ से ब्लेड मूव कर रहा है, 115 डिग्री एंगल तक रोटेट कर सकता है. So this is the radius of the sector and this is the central angle of the sector, and the area of this we have to find, कि कितना एरिया वो क्लीन कर रहा है. Okay, so we'll start with length of the blade, that is r is equals to 25 centimeter, and sector angle is equals to 115 degree, and area of sector, that is equals to area swept by one blade. Now see, हर कार में दो वाइपर होता है, left or right. Okay, so we have to multiply whatever we are getting here, we have to multiply with 2. So pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So we'll substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, r is 25 into 25 हो जाएगा क्योंकि r square है, theta is 115 degree upon 360 degree. Okay, if you solve this to this completely, we'll get 627.48 centimeter square. और बैक साइड में जो आंसर दिया हुआ फ्रैक्शन में दिया हुआ है, and this is the area swept by one blade. For two blades we have to multiply with 2. So 2 into 627.48, finally we'll get 1254.96 centimeter square. So this is the required answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now only 3 questions left. We are moving towards the 12th one. To warn ships for underwater rocks, A lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. So जो रेड लाइट जो कवर करेगा वो भी it will take it will form the shape of sector, and the distance of, for which it will cover, up to which it will cover, that will be the radius of that sector. So 16.5 kilometer will be the radius. Okay, so this is the structure we'll get. यहाँ पे लाइट हाउस है और यहाँ तक वो पहुँच रहा है, ठीक है, और 80 डिग्री तक ही वो पहुँच सकता है, मतलब रोटेट हो सकता है. So this is the radius, this is the central angle of that sector. So हम लोग को केवल ये वाला एरिया निकालना है. So nothing but this is area of sector. Diagram is clear? So radius of sector R 16.5 kilometer, theta is 80 degree, and we'll write the formula area of the sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree. You can write theta upon 360 into pi r square also. Now we'll substitute all the value pi r and theta. The value of pi is already given 3.14. You should not take 22 by 7. So 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5 into 80. So ये 80 में हम लोग एक जीरो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. ओके, और ये 4 2s are 8 और 4 9s are 36, और ये भी 3 से कैंसिल हो रहा है. हम लोग को 5.5 मिलेगा, 5.5, and this also we can cancel with this 3, we'll get 5.5. Now 5.5 into 5.5 into 3.14 into 2, if you multiply you will get 189.97 kilometer square. So this is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the 13th question. A round table, this is the last question, not 14, up to 14 नहीं है, 13 ही है. I think one more question is there, we'll see. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure 12.14. This is 12.14 figure. इसमें सभी equal है, देखो ये भी equal है. These all are all equal chords we can say. So if the radius of this cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 is equals to 1.7. जितना root 3 का वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है उतना ही लेना है. So see this figure will take number of equal designs is 6. So अगर हम लोग एक यहाँ पे सेक्टर फॉर्म करेंगे, सेंटर से ज्वाइन करेंगे, सपोज दिस इज A, दिस इज B. So what is the value of this angle? Can you guess?
60 degrees.
Very good, 60 degree. Okay. So central angle of each design is equals to 360 upon 6, that is equals to 60 degrees. So this figure, see this figure. Now what we have to do, we have to find the area of this minor segment. एक माइनर सेगमेंट का एरिया निकाल के फिर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इंटू 6 करेंगे तो पूरा सारे डिजाइन का एरिया निकल जाएगा. सो हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट? Akifa, how will you find the area of minor segment?
Sir, we will minus the area of sector minus area of triangle AOB.
Okay, very good. Area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. So clearly now again OA is equals to OB and this angle is 60 degree. So these two angles is also equals to 60 degree. And what we are going to get? Triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Okay, and what is the area of equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 2 into side square.
Right, root 3 by 4 side square. So area of one shaded design portion is equals to area of segment, and that is equals to area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So area of sector का formula तो अपने पास है pi r square theta by 360 degree and the area of triangle OAB is equals to root 3 by 4 side square. Now we'll substitute all the values. Pi, it is given, not given, it is not given the value of pi, 22 by 7. The value of r is given 28, theta is given 60 and side is 28. So we'll substitute all the values. Substitute कर दिए, ध्यान से देखो. We can further simplify. इसको 4 से cancel कर सकते हैं, इसको 6, इसको भी cancel कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे 7 से. So if you further simplify, if you solve, you will get 410.66 minus 333.2 centimeter square. Okay, so 77.46 centimeter square. Now this is the area of one design only. We have to find the area of all the 6 designs. So multiplied with 6, we'll get finally 464.76 centimeter square. Now cost of 1 centimeter square, it is given rupees 0.35. So total cost will be equals to 464.76 into 0.35. अगर दोनों को multiply करेंगे, so we'll get 162.67 rupees. So this is the final answer. Okay, now we are moving towards the next question, question number 14. Tick the correct answer in the following. Area of sector of angle P of a circle with radius r is. Area of sector का formula क्या है जो हम लोग जो पढ़े, theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. The radius is capital. Okay, so हम लोग को अगर substitute कर रहे हैं तो ये मिल रहा है. Now see carefully, ये तो हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि यहाँ पे पाई आर स्क्वायर है नहीं, और यहाँ पे पाई आर स्क्वायर है तो यहाँ पे 180 दिया हुआ है, सो दिस इज आल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. और यहाँ पे 360 दिया है तो यहाँ पे 2 पाई आर दिया हुआ है, तो ओनली वन ऑप्शन इज लेफ्ट इन विच पाई आर स्क्वायर इज गिवन बट हियर 360 इज गिवन, और यहाँ पे एक एक्स्ट्रा 2 है. तो ये कब मिलेगा? जब व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 2 in numerator and denominator. So we will get P upon 720 into 2 pi r square. So which option is correct option?
Option D.
Option D.
Option D.
Option D.
Right. So correct option is option D.
D.
So this is the last question of this exercise. Now we are moving towards the assignment section. Assignment questions. So only 6 questions are there. Okay. So मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा and you can solve all those questions, assignment questions, by taking screenshot. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.